Let me ask you a question. When things don't happen according to you, what do? Do you get mad and angry, or do you use anger with dramatic effect to get the work done? To just illustrate this point, I will share a story which happened with me. Many years back, when I was working in a leather goods company, one day I went to meet the boss in his office. And as I entered his cabin, I found him shouting at the top of his voice at somebody. He was really mad because somebody had made some mistake, and he was really very angry at that man. And when I entered, he just waved at me to go and sit down there. And he continued, and he was saying this and that. And then suddenly his landline phone rang. And then he picked up the phone, and there was a sudden change in the tone of his voice. And he said, "हाँ बेटा, बोलो क्या हुआ? अच्छा, okay, ठीक है. मैं शाम को आता हूँ और फिर मैं आपका काम करता हूँ बेटा. ठीक है, मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूँ, फिर बात करता हूँ आपसे. Okay." And then again, blah, 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 blah. He was continued with his shouting. Then there was a knock on the door, and his secretary, just peeped in and said, "May I come in, sir?" "Yes, Mr. Martin. Please come in. Please come in." And then she came and showed him a letter she had, typed, and then he went through. "Oh, this is perfectly good. Only this one word you change here, and it should be good. Miss Martin, you are a damn good secretary, typist, what." He praised her. "Thank you very much. I'll speak to you later." And then again, blah, 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 shouting at them. So while, observing all this, I realized that this boss was not actually angry, but he was using anger for dramatic effect to get a certain result out of this man. So, I think the lesson learned is use anger and don't actually get angry. When you actually get angry, you are actually spoiling your health. Your blood pressure will shoot up, and you will carry that anger for a longer time, and maybe you will dump that anger maybe at home on your family members, and it is going to affect everybody. But when you use anger with dramatic effect to get the work done, then you just leave it there. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. So until my next video, bye.